Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make lock screen pattern invisible on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's start. So if I go to my lock screen and unlock my phone with the pattern, you can see it's visible. So if you want to make it invisible, just follow this tutorial. So just open your settings app and then scroll down to lock screen and UD and then tap on it and then tap on secure lock settings. Provide your pattern. Let me provide mine. Okay, and on this screen you have to come to make pattern visible, this option. So currently it's turned on, so we have to turn it off. So to turn it off, we need to turn off this toggle button next to it. So to turn off this toggle button, just tap on it so that this slider moves to the left. So let me show you. Let me tap on it and you can see it's now turned off. And now if I go to my lock screen and unlock my phone with a pattern, now you can't see the pattern, so it's now invisible. So that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.